So, guys, the name of the website we are going to register on is called Crossover. So, crossover.com. So, that's the name of the website where you get high paying remote jobs. And these kind of jobs, you don't have to be in fact, you can be anywhere in the world and you get your payment. Okay. So, for you to get high paying jobs like tech jobs, human resources, accounting, and co, you can register on this website and be rest assured that you would get as much as you need. Okay, so the first step to take is to go to this. Okay, for instance, let's know more about the company. Okay, the company has a whole lot of 850 plus fully remote staffs, and they have partnered with uh, other big companies in Silicon Valley, tech companies, and they have a lot of openings, life skill creator, content creator, okay, and elite coder, sales executive, customer care representative, analyst. They have so many openings. Okay, let's check on about the company. Okay, so the vision is to make people with jobs. All right, so they have so many complaints about 70 plus complaints. Excuse me. So, how do you apply for jobs? Just click on join crossover and then you see. Okay, so when you click on this button to take you to other tabs that shows current openings, the selection process, how you apply. Let's read how they select people, what to expect, how it works. You are supposed to pass cognitive test, and that has to do with English and maths, a bit of quantitative reasoning. Okay, so then afterwards you pass English proficiency test. Then you move on to the real world job skills. Okay, so most times you might actually not need to have a very high score in a certain test for you to get a particular role or a particular job. But I can assure you that the least you can earn if you join this website or this company rather is about 20,000 USD minimum. Okay, so and they pay you as you work. So they have a lot of perspectives. These are obviously the future of work after COVID has made people realize that you can work virtually and work from home. So, all right, when you're about to start, just click on join crossover, then click on current openings. It will take you to the new jobs that have been posted. Then you can click on anyone that you know interests you. Like this particular one, data science instructor, a part-time job. You don't have to be an expert, but then if you have experience in data science and you are very good with practice, then you can work as a teacher of data science and you earn minimum of 60,000 US dollar per year. Same goes for Java instructor. Okay. Okay, so what you do is make sure you click on once you click on join, then it brings out the roles available. Then let's try this for instance. Let me go with this one, QA engineer. Okay, so the QA engineer, the pay is going to be 30,000 US dollar. Okay, so it gives you this. There's you have description of work, what you'll be expected to do, and it's strictly remote. You can work from your parlor, your house, you don't have to be in the United States to work. And you have just 40 hours per week from any time zone. You can then do the work. Okay, so you can read up on that once you've decided to register and you are quite comfortable with the role. So just click on apply now. Then to take you to another interface where you have to enter or input your personal details like your name, your LinkedIn profile, your phone number. I'm currently in Nigeria, so that's why you see Nigeria. But any country you are in, all over in any part of the world, then you put your phone number. Then afterwards, it takes you to um, the next segment. Okay, sorry, trying to take this away. Okay, let's say my name is okay. Right, so I've actually registered. So let's start. Okay, so if your name is actually has been entered, what you do next is okay. So the complaint is asking me to take a tour. Okay, so it tells you that this step will tell you the next batch you're supposed to end for you to build your profile. Then it tells you your job applications, the number of jobs you've applied to, it shows you the status, if they have been completed or if you were selected, whatever it is. Then you are expected, though you can watch the video in your own um, leisure time. Okay, so now back to the job. You are going to check the basic fit, and I click on this to take me to the next step of writing exams. Though I'm not ready to write yet, I just want to show you how to write this video. I mean, I'm applying to the job. Okay, so I've not this particular user has not written any test so far, so that's why you have all this blank. Once you do any one of them, you have this checked until you get to your physical interview, then the offer stage, and then you resume work. Okay, so the basic check will just tell you, you tell them a bit about yourself. For instance, oh, your name, your age, what and have you, and whatever questions they ask. Okay, so if they're asking me to fill in these questions, let me say, do I have at least 1 year experience with quality assurance management? I say yes. Is this role does this role require that I follow precisely certain instructions, identify discrepancies and all that? Okay, yes, I have strong attention to detail. So you just answer them. I'm not going to teach you what to say, but I'm just saying, like, on the average, just answer this. Are you excited? Yes, I am. Then, in this role, you'll be working 40 hours. Okay, I'm good to go. I'm good with 40 hours. Okay, then click on yes. So, afterwards, submit. Okay, so I have actually taken the basic fit um, check, and you see, it's going to show me if I'm ready to go for cognitive tests. So as you continue to answer this question, see, it has been checked. I've done this, I passed. So I am to move to the next one that has to do with proficiency in English language. And all. So once you've answered all these questions and you've passed this stage, you get the job offer. All right, so thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this video. If you really enjoyed this video, please like this video and remember to subscribe to my channel so you can see more job updates, and also remember to turn on the notification so that as soon as I post new set of videos, you can get the updates and watch them on time. Remember that jobs do not stay so long and we have a whole lot of people applying. So as soon as you see any particular vacancy, please apply as soon as possible. Okay, so and also you can do your own due diligence in trying to check out the jobs you apply and be sure of the companies. And then thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this video. It was nice having you. See you in my next video. Bye.